My name is Ken Mazel, and I'm the president of Digital Dog Direct. We're a direct mail company in central New Jersey, and we provide direct mail services and print service for all different types of clients. It could be insurance, it could be financial, retail, and the entire gamut of type of a customer who utilizes direct mail as an augment to their whole marketing strategy.
My name is Jay Adcock. I'm from Digital Dog Direct. I'm the Director of Information Technology here in Ewing, New Jersey. We print on average, I'd say, about 1.5 million, 2 million black and white pieces a month. Probably somewhere between 500 and 750,000 color impressions a month. You know, up probably 200, 300%, I guess, in the last 2 or 3 years.
We're a relatively small company, and when we can have, Konica Minolta as a resource and one that we can really count on, you can't place a value on it.
As Konica Minolta has grown in the production print space over the past 5 years, Digital Dog has grown, so we've kind of grown with each other, locally and I think nationally from a production print standpoint.
Customers were starting to ask for full color pieces that we couldn't produce. Maintaining relationships with local vendors and having to send stuff out of house was just becoming cumbersome. So I mean, in the end, we ended up moving stuff in house, and we've been happy with that solution.
It's kind of like Konica Minolta and Digital Dog work for each other, work with each other and for each other.
As soon as I went and did a demo of the C8000, saw the thing in person, in the flesh, it was light years beyond anything I really had demoed before, especially at the price point, especially speed-wise, quality-wise, everything. It was just the way to go.
Hi, I'm Mike Fago. I'm manager of production print for Konica Minolta out of corporate headquarters. Very exciting to see a customer that has taken their business and their operation from something that was fairly modest to a situation where they now have 4 BizHub Press C8000s. They got multiple 1200s. They've got third-party finishing accessories of companies that we represent.
Well, everybody in the IT and the print department loves the C8000s and most specifically because of the registration that they get out of that. When we're running things 3 and 4 and 6 up, the registration of front and back with color and the trimming and the finishing requirements that we have to put on a piece so that they're exacting from one piece to the next is so precise compared to what we've ever experienced that enables us to have produce a repetitive and repeatable process each time and from piece to piece and from job to job.
The advancements in technology and reliability and image quality that we offer with the BizHub Press C8000, it's helping accounts like Digital Dog Direct better meet the needs of their customers as well.
C8000 has really allowed us to address specific customer needs, mostly related to higher quality and larger volumes, whereas before I would turn away a 20,000 piece postcard job and send it out to an offset printer because it was just more economical for me to do that. Now I don't have to do that.
You took no copiers from Konica Minolta 4.5 years ago, and now they have a whole showroom of pretty much it's a Konica Minolta showroom within one of our largest clients in New Jersey.
The success of our business, with Konica Minolta's help, has just been because we can continually produce a quality product. There isn't a move that we make that we don't speak to somebody at the company.